So, what are the three most common mistakes that you see small business owners make when it comes to, kind of their tax and their financial plan?
Oh man, there are
I know,
many.
like if you only had to pick three, like
There are
what's
many.
the top three?
I know. Well, the first one for sure is combining finances.
Okay.
Right. And I'm going to quote a song from '94. All
Okay.
right. And the reason I quote this song is because if actually, how old were you in '94, Chris?
I was 4.
Okay, you were 4. So you might know this song.
I know, that's
maybe
what I'm
not.
curious to see.
But anyways, it's called "Come Out and Play" by Offspring. Right.
Okay.
Now, right now, I just tell you right now, I listen to pretty much Joy FM all day, every day,
Right.
or I'm listening to a podcast or an
Yeah.
audiobook, right? But the song, in there it says, you got to keep them separated,
Okay.
right? So now everybody listens to podcasts. Whenever you go to the gas station and you're getting ready to swipe to buy something, is this business or is it personal? And you got to keep them separated. So you
Yep.
need to keep your business card in your right hand, your personal card in your left hand, and you don't intermix them.
Right.
It doesn't matter if you're just a sole proprietor and not an LLC or an S corp or whatever. You still need to keep your stuff separated, even just for tax purposes, right? But now, if you are a corporation, you have an S corp. There's more implications to that.
You definitely have to.
You have some major problems if
Yeah.
you don't. So right now, just think about it. Your bank accounts. If you're just starting as a business owner, so many people just run stuff through their personal,
Yep.
and they just intermix it. And not only is it an accounting nightmare for your accountant at tax time, right? But it also is a lot of liability issues on your end. And if you're sitting down with the IRS auditor, one of my business partners, CPA firm, she worked for the IRS 30 years. And she said for 20 years, she was an outside auditor. In the last 10 years, she did education. But while she was an auditor, she'd sit down with people. And if they didn't have accurate records to prove it, or if they had personal and business mixed together, that she would just say all these expenses are not deductible. Even if half were and half weren't, all of them are not deductible.
Thrown out. Yep.
So it's not only, there's a lot of different reasons to it. So keep them separated.
Yes.
Okay. So next time you go and you're going anywhere, you're going to Lowe's to buy paint, or Sherwin-Williams to buy paint, right?
Wherever.
or wherever you're going to buy product, right? Yep. You need to make sure, and you forgot your business card, turn around, drive home,
get it.
or put it on the account, whatever you got to do. Do not intermix personal and business.
Yep.
So that's the first thing.
Good. That's a good point.
Every time I have a new business owner I sit down with, I said the first thing you do before you leave today, don't pay me anything, don't do anything, go to the bank and get a business checking account.
Yep.
Business credit card, and just keep everything separated,
Yep.
right?